talked about the potential in the battery day.
When Tesla holds its battery day on September 22nd.
Do you think Tesla Battery Day will be a bit underwhelming?
National Battery Day
has been circulating with this background for Battery Day.
But I keep coming back to September 22nd. Battery, that's Battery Day.
At Tesla's Battery Investor Day.
What will Elon Musk say September 22nd?
I think it's going to actually blow people's minds. It blows my mind, and I am, I know it.
So September 22nd, as you mentioned, that's Tesla's Battery Day.
I think we'll take it far more seriously when Tesla holds its battery day on September 22nd, and that's when you might see the battery that can go for ages without charging. With Elon Musk, who knows?
I think it's going to actually blow people's minds. It blows my mind, and I am, I know it.
Hey, Kevin in Colorado, aka your Tesla pilot, and we are talking about
Tesla.
That's right. Hey, don't make fun of my hoodie. It's snowing today in Colorado, and it's September.
That would be snow.
So, I hope you had a great Labor Day weekend. Came back to the markets Tuesday, and we're having a down day with Tesla. My goodness, these days hurt, right? When you see the share price fall by $70 a share, $75 a share at the low point. So Tesla down about 18% today. So close. We're only 13 days away from battery day. So risk versus reward. Hold Tesla, sell Tesla, try to improve your position. Tell me what you're doing with your Tesla in the comments. I sold part of my position in Tesla late last week. And all I did was I sold at $390 and I bought right back in at $380. So just a quick $10 a share, improve my holdings in Tesla. Was able to get a free 25 shares out of that move for Tesla. So you know what? You look for these momentum plays, but it could have gone the other way, right? I could have decreased my share capability with the market going up. So I don't have a crystal ball. I wish somebody out there did, but I do believe in Elon Musk. I believe in Tesla. I believe in his mission. And I'm here long term. I don't need this money next month. I don't need this money next year. I need this money 2 to 3 years down the line in retirement. And once again, you should never risk more than what you can afford to lose, right? What do you do? Take your money and stick it in a mattress? No. You're not. Tesla's doing wonderful things. Battery day has to be a killer. We've talked about that already. It has to be outstanding, especially with the unfortunate timing today with the announcement of the GM and Nikola partnership.
Welcome back to Squawk Box. Nikola forming a strategic partnership with General Motors this morning. Nikola Badger will be engineered and manufactured by GM. GM getting an 11% ownership stake in Nikola as a result, and the right to nominate one director to the board. Joining us right now to talk all about it is Trevor Milton, founder and executive chairman of Nikola, and Mary Barra, CEO of GM. Good morning to both of you. I'm going to start on the GM side, if I could, Mary, and try to get a sense of how you were thinking about this partnership and why you ended up deciding to do this. And then I want to get to Trevor on what it really means.
Well, thanks, Andrew. And we're very excited to be partnering with Nikola. When we look at the opportunity to continue to leverage our technology, the Ultium battery platform system, as well as the Hydrotech fuel cell technology, this is a wonderful validation of our technology. And then
validate their technologies? What technologies?
Bringing our engineering and manufacturing expertise to the table.
$2 billion equity stake in the company. I assume that's at the valuation prior to the move this morning, and we're looking at your stock, by the way, moving 45% right now on this news. GM is up 8%. Is that right?
Yeah, I mean, look, we had 4 or 5 different OEMs we analyzed who would be the best one for Nikola to build the Badger, and GM was very unique to us because they brought a lot more than just building the Badger. The whole world was waiting for us to tell them who we were working with to build this.
The whole world was waiting for you, Trevor, to tell us who you're working with to build a Badger? Yes, I could not sleep for the last 4 weeks in anticipation of knowing that.
The most amazing electric pickup truck and hydrogen fuel cell pickup truck in the world, and GM was definitely the top of our list. And after I got to know Mary Moore and their whole entire team, it was just absolutely the right decision for the company to do. I mean, it's a perfect relationship. They're one of the best purchasers, manufacturers, engineering houses in the entire planet. And working with Nikola with all of our intellectual property, combining it with what they're doing, the Badger is truly going to be one of the most amazing vehicles ever built, and it complements their existing powertrain. So they get an 11% stake in the company, and throughout our agreement with GM, we're going to see somewhere between a $4 and $5 billion savings just in battery costs alone. So for us, it was a no-brainer, and for GM, it's a great way to help cross-utilize everything we're doing, everything they're doing. It's just really a perfect relationship without hurting each other.
Do you ever anticipate manufacturing these vehicles on your own?
No, we do not want to make our own truck lines. I mean, this is what GM's so good at. I mean, it's billions and billions of dollars. It's going to be built at their plant, engineered, validated, and tested with their team as well. So we get access to their entire supply chain, the team that has built some of the best programs in the world, the Silverados, the Hummers, I mean, everything. They've got the best of the best, and they're going to be building our trucks out of their plant. And that was the idea, is to save Nikola billions of dollars while still being able to grow with someone that doesn't conflict with our DNA.
Now, while Trevor may be a good salesman, he's no Elon Musk.
And Mary, as part of this deal, GM says it expects to receive in excess of $4 billion of benefits, what you're calling benefits, between the equity value. So we'll call that the $2 billion value, along with contract manufacturing of the Badger. So I'm assuming those are going to be contracts that Nikola is going to be paying you. Is that right?
Sure. In addition to all the technology that we're bringing in, the value from both an Ultium and a Hydrotech technology perspective, there also then is, we'll be doing the manufacturing and validation and engineering. So all of that comes together. And again, it's for the Badger, but it's also for the fuel cell technology for the Nikola products in the Class 7 and 8 truck business. So this is a huge growth opportunity for us. And as Trevor said, as we started to talk, we realized we shared a common vision of the world of creating an all-electric future. The teams have already begun discussions, and there's really good chemistry between the technical teams. So we couldn't be more excited about working with Nikola.
And probably their best product to come out of the line, which would be the Badger pickup truck, which is a good-looking truck, right? But how soon can GM ramp up, get that going, produce a Badger pickup truck, get it out to market, and actually have those ready for customers to see on one of the GM lots? They're probably at least 2 years out, but we'll see. Cybertruck, in the meantime, be rolling off the assembly line of Giga Austin in Christmas of next year in 2021. So lots of exciting things still happen with Tesla. This is once again a hiccup. It also has a part to do with the S&P 500, what I will call a snub or S&P 500 fail. Now, as we all know, the S&P 500 has a committee meeting once a month. All that happened this month in September when they met was they announced 3 new companies, and Tesla was not one of them. Maybe the committee just wants to see, like, hey, just because you had the 4 quarters with the GAAP earnings, we want to see a little bit more. Maybe they're going to wait till Q3 when Tesla shows its 5th quarter of profitability, or maybe they're going to just, hey, wait and see until it gets more stabilized. But it eventually will join the S&P 500. It's just a matter of time. Well, hey, that'll wrap it up for today. Please hit the like button. It does help the channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And we'll see you here tomorrow on Talking About
Tesla.
That's right.